Hello everybody, it's me Marisha, and today I'm going to show you how to create this nail art design. I think it looks very pretty, and if you're interested, stay tuned until the end of this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. So first apply your base coat and then base color. I'm using white to make my stamped design more opaque, and I'm using BPLO 50 or BPLO 50. Of course you will need stamper and scraper. Make sure to clean your scraper with nail polish remover, and you can also use nail polish remover to clean your stamping plates. To clean your stamper, you can just use tape. I'm using green, blue, and purple colors. I absolutely love the purple one, so make sure to use the colors that blend well in the middle and that make good color when they're blended, because we're going to make color gradient, which means we're going to mix the colors, and so make sure to choose good color combination. Now pick up your polishes and you have to just apply them onto the stamping plate, and with a scraper overlap the colors a little bit, and up and down scrape it, and you can scrape it a few times. Make sure that the polishes are thin so that they don't dry onto the stamping plate. Roll to pick up the design, and using your stamper just press it onto your nail, and then you have to repeat it on all of your nails. Also, don't forget to apply nice coat of glossy top coat. As an accent nail, I decided to use some kind of glittery polish, but then I decided to use water-based purple holographic nail polish, which I absolutely love. And I basically applied purple color on my accent nail or ring nail, and then I applied some holographic purple polish on top. And that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Farewell.